Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I will be using Perm rod to coil my 1 week wash and go. So these are all the products I will be using. You all know I am a Cantu babe. So this is water, this is shea butter, and these are the Perm rod I will be using for these hairstyles. So without wasting more of your time, let's jump into the video. So as you can see, my hair are in twist. Okay, so before I start styling my hair, I've already detangled my hair with the Cantu detangling cream. Okay, because in this style I didn't use any comb to comb my hair because I'm trying to reduce the amount of comb I use in my hair because my hair is very kinky and coarse, so it breaks really easily. So as you can see, I just take few strands of my hair. I twist the root first. You want to twist the root before you start using the Perm rod. Okay, it's the best way and the easiest way, and it will save you much time. Okay, so as you can see, I sprayed my hair. I take a little bit of my curly cream, which is the Cantu, and the lock gel, very little because I've already had my Cantu leave-in conditioner when I was detangling my hair, so I don't really need much. All I need is just a little because you all know a little goes a long way. So I sprayed my hair with water, though my hair was still a bit wet, but I still wanted to spray a bit water before adding the cream. So I went ahead and twist the root before I start using the Perm rod. Okay, you can see what I'm doing here. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, by the way, you are highly welcome, but please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, also turn your notification bell because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. For my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate you guys, and welcome to the family. All my returning subscribers, thank you so much for keeping returning and welcome back. So as you can see what I'm doing, I will just go ahead and repeat the same. Okay, you will part a little bit of your hair, twist it from the roots, and use your Perm rod. Okay, this is so easy, it is not difficult at all. And as I said from the beginning, my hair is 1 week wash and go, and this 1 week wash and go, guys, I didn't put anything in my hair. No leave-in conditioner, nothing, zero, because my scalp tends to inches me a lot. So since I've been like washing my hair every 2 weeks, I've reduced the amount of weeks I wash my hair. So now I'm doing my wash and goes every 2 weeks. So I just wanted to like leave my hair alone without adding anything, and all I was doing is spread my hair every day. But let me tell you guys, don't spray water in your hair every day without moisturizing your hair. Okay, but I'm not really afraid to try new things. I really like trying new things to see how my hair reacts and how they works on my hair. So these are really good for me to discover things that work better for me. So I don't really advise you like spraying your hair without moisturizing your hair. Okay, but in my world I did it and my hair didn't really shed. So I will just twist that and continue doing the same all over my head. So guys, I hope you all are doing very well. You are staying safe. I hope your family are well. Do stay strong, stay positive. Very soon all this will be over, and just keep your mind busy. Do what makes you happy, like read some of your favorite book, Try to do a lot of research if you want to grow your hair. Try to figure out things that work for you. Try to study a little bit more on products, and try to also find out what porosity you have, because that will really help you to buy the right product, so you don't have to spend double money. Okay, because for example, if your hair is high porosity and you are buying low porosity products, these are not really going to work for your hair type, and you will be surprising like, oh, this doesn't work on my hair. No, maybe the product are not really made for your hair type. So just use the opportunity you have now to like search for product that works for you. I know it's a little bit overwhelming, but you know, you can also take the good part of it, like be positive and do some research. Okay guys, let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. I really like it, and I wasn't even expecting for these styles to turn out, because it's my first time using perm rod on my natural hair. The only first time I used I tried to like curl my hair was with the flexi rod. I will leave the link in the description bar. I will also leave it around the suggestion video poll, so you can check that out. Okay, so I really like it, and I didn't really know what to do with my hair, so I said, okay, why can't I do the perm rod? And I've been really like looking forward to try this out on my hair, because I haven't really done it since the beginning of my journey. And I said, okay, I'm just gonna do it and let's see. Did you guys see the texture of my hair? That is how my hair really look like when my hair is wet. This is my texture. My hair is already coiled, but when it's dried it feels afro, but when it's wet I have coils in my hair. Because the question I get a lot, people ask me, how do I coil my hair? What do I use? The product I use is Cantu, and I don't do magic to my hair. Like, do you guys see that? My hair is already coiled. All I use is water and my Cantu, and that's all. Okay guys, please, I hope you watch this video to the end. Do watch it to the end, because you would like to see the result after I took out my perm rod, how my hair look like, everything. And one thing I would like to tell you, this perm rod, please don't sit under the dryer too long, okay? Because I went ahead to sit under the dryer for 5 to 10 minutes, and you know, the little rope to like secure the perm rod was popping out. So don't sit under the dryer with this type of perm rod. Maybe other perm rod are okay. So this perm rod, I don't think it really like too much heat under the dryer. So my advice for you, you should sit maybe for 5 minutes on a very low heat. And by the way, I left my perm rod for overnight. It was a bit uncomfortable, but I didn't really have any option. So as you can see, I'm unraveling my hair. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. I do appreciate you guys. Please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn your notification bell, because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye.